Hi guys, Deb here, and it's unboxing time. I've got the February Kitaholic Kits to unbox, so let's jump in, and we're going to start with the mixed media kit. So in the kit this month we got some cardstock. We got some craft cardstock and some white Kaiser cardstock as well. So love that addition into the kits this month. And the reason I'm doing a voiceover is when I did do the unboxing, my daughter was a little bit too noisy in the background. So I'm showing you from Corbett Creations the chipboard words in Dream, Beautiful, Getaway and Amazing. They are going to make some awesome titles. We also got the Katie Mixed Media Mini Stencil, and I do believe this one was called Oddball or something like that. Yeah, Oddballs. Just trying to figure out how to get in there so I can show you the stencil. Excuse me. So that's the stencil this month in the Mixed Media kit. Now I didn't have an unboxing last month. It was just crazy here last month when I got my kit. We were doing things around the house and then we went away. So we also got these Kaiser Craft paints in our Mixed Media kit. So we've got Cool Grey, Tropical Water, I think next one was Pretty Pink, yes. And we also got a gloss varnish which will give a nice coat, a nice gloss varnish to your chipboard words, or as a protectant to any of your projects really. So now we're moving on to the embellishment kit, and we have got the Cocoa Vanilla More Than Words flares. Now this kit, and actually all the kits except for the Mixed Media kit, are loaded with Cocoa Vanilla More Than Words. We also got some doilies, a 40 pack of doilies, so that's pretty awesome. I love my doilies. And we got some little embellishments here. We got some flowers from the resin rainbow, and we also got some acrylic hearts from Corbett Creations, which is perfect for Valentine's being February and all that, or just as a cute little embellishment on your project. We also got some thickers, and I can't remember what they're called, Magic, I think I can read there. Always great to have the thickers in our kits, and everything goes so well together. Some more Cocoa Vanilla More Than Words product here, and this is the chipboard stickers. This is my favorite kit, favorite line from Cocoa Vanilla to date. It's very hard because there's so many awesome lines from Cocoa Vanilla Studio. Onto the pocket page kit, and we have got the Maggie Holmes stickers. So there's a little look at the stickers on the back there, and they are from the Carousel line. 206 stickers, so there you can have a look at some of the words. They got foiling on them, and there's some labels there as well. We also got this awesome acrylic February word, which we've already got our January one, so I do believe we're getting one for each month in each kit, so that is going to be so awesome for our pocket pages. And these enamel dots are sparkly. I love them. I wish there was a bigger pack of them because they are awesome. We got some mini alpha stickers from Kaiser Craft. There's 529 alphas here, so that is awesome. I love using the tiny alphas in my pocket pages. I still got some left over from the last time we got a pack of these, so always come in handy. Some more Cocoa Vanilla product here, and this is the, what was this one? The accessory sticker. So, oh my god, look at that stag. So cute. Accessory sticker, that's right. So yes, definitely a very hard choice, but this has to be my favorite line from them. So we also got 6x6 pad, and everyone's will be a little bit different. I got this I got these papers from the 6x6 pad, and I was just pointing out the little versions of the cut apart sheet. So look at all these gorgeous colours and designs in this, and little spots. I think I bring it closer. Yes, I do. Little spots on the paper there, so you can cut these down to make your own project life cards. So I think that's the last sheet, and as I said, everyone's got depending what part of the book you got, you get the different papers. So all from Cocoa, Vanilla, More Than Words line as well. So these are the cut apart sheets from More Than Words. This one's called Treasure, and it's got this lovely stripe, wonky stripe on the back. It's all like that watercolor look. It's so delicious. And then you get the labels and things on the front as well. This one is called Collage, and you get the spot on the back and the 4x6 and 3x4s on the front. Just so pretty. And then you get the exclusive cut aparts that I have designed and Steph has cut out. She's taken all that work out for us and cut them all out. So there's a lot of things in this bag, guys. It is loaded. You've got tiny words, labels, icons, banners, faux flare. We even got the little stag there. Just heaps to embellish your pocket pages. So, and I'm making a mess and dropping them everywhere, so I do stuff them back in the bag. So that is the pocket page kit, and I'm sorry if you can hear my blinds in the background. The wind has picked up and it's blowing my blinds around like crazy. So almost got them all packed up and putting it all back together, and that is the pocket page kit. So moving on to the main kit, which is the scrapbook kit, we have got Maggie Holmes stickers, and I think I was looking to see what line they're from. So you get 57 stickers here, and there's a lot of tiny words and labels on the sticker sheet. And oh, these are I love these mini paper blossoms by Craft. I love paper flowers. If you know me, I love my off the page, and these are just perfect for them, and they are fairy floss. So we got them in the scrapbook kit. We also got the die cut ephemera from the More Than Words Cocoa Vanilla Studio. So look at all them florals, aren't they gorgeous? Lots of little things in there to use on your page. Some more enamel dots. And we also got some wood veneer and acrylic from Corbett Creations. And I do believe these are exclusive to the kits, that they're made specially for the Kitaholic Kits. So always love that. Always love having that in the kits. Great for embellishing. So we got these stickers too, and they're called Hello Joy, and what I love about these stickers is that the title work is already done for you. So that's awesome. So we got black and we got the white side. And sorry if you can hear the bus about to pass, I'm so sorry for this. Yeah. So we're getting on to the papers now, all from Cocoa Vanilla Studio, except for the last one, I'm sure. So this one is called Darling Buds, and this beautiful one here with the paint stripes and that little spotty random spot on the back. Love that. And that one's called Radiant. And of course we got to play with this. We went to a workshop over oh, I can't even remember where it was, but Zoe from Cocoa Vanilla Studio, who designs all this stuff, she ran a workshop with her collection before it came out, we got to play with it and create 2 layouts, and it was so awesome. I fell in love with it. So after I show you the scrapbook kit here, I'm going to show you a few extras that came from the Kitaholic shop. And I'm just going to flip through these last few papers. This one's called Sketchbook, and this one, you always get that beautiful floral in the Cocoa Vanilla's scrapbook line. In the scrapbook product, sorry. So another one with a ledger on the back and the scripty writing on the other side, and this one's called Noteworthy. I think I might sound a bit rambly in this video, I'm sorry if I do. So we also got this embossed cardstock, and it is so pretty. It's got a floral to it, and oh my goodness, it is just gorgeous. So that is the main kit. I think I'm going to stack everything up. There is still one more thing that I have to show, and that is the exclusive die cuts that come this month. And again, there's lots of little bits and pieces here to help embellish your pages. There's labels and hearts and words and florals and all sorts of things to have fun with. So I just thought I'd let you know that if you're interested in any of this stuff, I will leave links below. You can buy the kits in the Kitaholic shop, any of these kits if they're not sold out. And also Steph has loaded the shop with all the Cocoa Vanilla More Than Words range as well. So if you're there, don't forget to check that out because it is such a beautiful line. And I'm just packing this up now, and that will be it for the main kit this month. So I did pick up a few extras from the Kitaholic shop. I grabbed myself a Distress Oxide in Abandoned Coral. I'm trying to build up my oxides. I also got the enamel shapes from the More Than Words collection, as well as some more flares for myself, another accessory sticker sheet. I also picked up the vellum accents, and you get those gorgeous florals in vellum. So pretty. I love this stamp. I had to get the stamp. Look how beautiful that is. Those butterflies and that floral. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I really love it. So I did pick up the stamp. I also grabbed another pack of the die cut ephemera, and also I have also got the paper add-on, which has got the same papers in it from the main kit. With the exception of the last 4, I did grab 2 of each of those cut aparts that were in the pocket page kit. And that is it. That is my video. I know it's been a while since a video's gone up on my channel. But stay tuned because I want to explain how you can win a pocket letter from me. So last month I made a pocket letter with my January kits. I'm going to leave a link to the video and a link to Kitaholic Kits so you have got a chance to enter it, and you can win this pocket letter that was made by me and has got bits and pieces in the back. So you get goodies in the back from Kitaholic Kits. I put in little bits and pieces from the January kits and previous kits. I think the only thing in it that wasn't from the kits was from my sequins that I put in. So don't forget to check out the links for that. That ends at the end of this week. And if you go watch the video and go search for my pocket letter post on the main Kitaholic Kits Facebook page, you'll see how to enter and you can win this from me. So that's it for me today, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.